Today I want to cover something that just came out, and it's a model from DeepMind. It's a side project, a playful model, and this is literally Dreamer 4. It's a world model that is pretty insane according to the videos I have seen up till now. So let's get started. Let's see exactly what this is about. So Dreamer 4 is an agent that can mine diamonds entirely from offline data. And in general, you can see here the model doing the whole gameplay, creating everything. And let's keep to finding diamonds. This is pretty amazing, I gotta say. And Dreamer 4 learns everything through a scalable world model that is trained on offline data. And inside them, it does a multitask agent, but with never interacting with the environment, which is very important. Agents in robotics interact with a simulated or a real environment, and that allows them to train. However, this is done entirely on offline data. And this thing is running on just one GPU. And this is a comparison between the Dreamer model and other models like Oasis, which we have seen in the past. So let's watch the clips from the start. It's a very fast and capable model. You can see here that it places blocks quite faster than all of the other models. This is pretty incredible. And essentially it's guided by text prompts, so it does the actions it needs to do. So in order to enable this kind of efficiency, they've used a transformer with a shortcut forcing objective. This is probably for reinforcement learning. So first, what they do is they pre-train the transformer, fine-tune the agentic tokens in this architecture, and then they do some kind of very fancy stuff that I have no idea what they're about. And this is how their new shortcut forcing enabled them to reach amazing performance with a very low amount of sampling steps, making the model generate frames quite faster than previous models. And Dreamer 4 outperforms OpenAI's VDP offline agent while using 100x less data. So in all honesty, I really have no idea what this is about. I really don't know the specifics. It's not my job to do. But this seems like a new frontier for world models is coming out. They have also spun up a website for this and also wrote a very short report. It's just 3 guys working on this by Google DeepMind. And we can see here that it also outperforms Gemma 3. So in all honesty, this model was able to start from scratch and in just 3 minutes get its first diamonds. Something that me, after playing 5 years of Minecraft, I can't actually do, which is pretty insane. Pretty insane, like it's absolutely insane. And this is with human interaction. And we can see here different prompts and how the models respond to it. So this model is super fast. It does the actions really needing to do super easily. That's pretty incredible. And they also transferred this model into the physical world by training the model on a robotics dataset. So in all honesty, this is one of the most interesting things I have recently seen coming out from Google. And the parameters of the model are just 2 billion. And it works on a low resolution because that allows them to do it a lot more cheaply. And it really outperforms all of the other world models while having significantly higher FPS and larger context. So I think this already unlocks a lot of new skills for these kind of models. And I think the returns and the results for robotics and world models is going to be insane. Like this is incredible. And here they show the different things they've tried out to make this model being a lot faster on inference without reducing its quality. So that's very interesting. For anyone looking at world models, I think this is going to be one of the most interesting things. It opens up really a lot of performance while also reducing the costs. This is incredibly interesting and I just wanted to share it with you on a video. Let me know what you think about Dreamer 4 down below in the comments.